Hi everybody, a very warm welcome to my channel, The Pound Trader. I'll be making an analysis for Thursday, the 19th of September 2024. Okay, so we're starting over on the monthly time frame. Now, I have been on the sell side, and even though price has been pushing up, this is quite a strong level that we had over here. And I still think that maybe that we have a possibility of selling if this support resistance zone doesn't break. So I have been on the sell side for quite a long time now. Now it's not necessarily like a fib retracement level because we had the 61.8 here and price was stalling and then it eventually broke above. But hopefully this level will hold so that I can look for sells. Going over to the weekly time frame. So here we can see that last week when I made my analysis, I still thought that we'd have like a push here because we had this candle, almost like a dragonfly doji candle that was rejecting over here. And we can see that today we are at this level over here. So I'm just hoping that it doesn't break so that I can just get that proper break of this trend line, hopefully like a nice retracement, and then head over for those long-term sells. Going over to the daily time frame. So daily time frame, now we're here, and this is the level that I had last week from my other analysis, and we had a nice bullish candle here. Now, because we do have like a bullish candle here, I think I did think that price was going to at least go to around here or here, and even here is still fine because it was a bullish candle. So hopefully now this level will now start bringing the reaction so that we can now start pushing downwards. So I'll be basically watching out for this level here. Okay, so going over to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so the 4-hour time frame, yesterday we had some FOMC news, if I'm not wrong. We had a really big spike over here. This does look like a tweezer top, but also I don't like the fact that it didn't really start from this level over here. Normally when there's like a wick and the candle starts opening from just slightly above support and resistance level, it's not very strong in my opinion. So I'm still watching out for those sells. Okay, going over now to the 1-hour time frame. So yeah, now 1 hour, we can see things slightly more clearly. I also have my moving averages open. The spike was here at 9 p.m. And yeah, so today we can see that price, we are still above the trend line, so still an uptrend. However, I'll be looking at this level here and just hoping that we can see if we can see if we can see a double top, that would be nice. If I also get this confirmation from the 4-hour time frame, just a nice big red candle here that closes, because I think for such a level, I would like to wait for a confirmation on the 4-hour time frame, because it'll be much stronger if we get like a bearish engulfing from the 4-hour time frame, then going to look for entries on the 1 hour. 1 hour on itself is not strong. That's from what I've learned. So I'll be mostly keen on watching for what the 4-hour does. Now, yesterday, at least I was able to get a trade. I'm sorry I didn't make an analysis yesterday, but I did see this bullish candle over here. It was pretty nice, 60 pips. And yeah, it hit TP pretty smoothly. Me entered this because I was seeing that we are in an uptrend, and also because on the daily, we were still pushing up. So I just thought that this would be like my final target and then wait for how things would react from there. So yeah, so for today basically, and maybe even tomorrow for Friday, maybe watching for a double top situation like that. Though the best like confirmation for me would be for price to break this trend line here. Even this one is still good, and then some sort of retracement, and then look for those sells. So I don't know if today I'll be able to get a move. This looks like something that I'll have to wait for almost the whole day, but yeah, I'll be checking out and seeing what's happening. So just moving over to the dollar index quite quickly, just starting over on the monthly. Now on the monthly, I still have this zone over here, and it hasn't broken yet, guys. Still wicking above this level, and I think that's confirmation for me to still hope that the dollar might push up to confirm those long-term sells that I've had on the pound. Just going over to the weekly, yeah, we can see even the weekly, the candle still didn't close. We spiked a little because of yesterday, but you know, we're still pushing up. So I don't know, I don't know. I'm hoping that it just buys, yeah, continue pushes up. And you can see you have that wick there, still lots of rejection on this level here. Yesterday, this was a dragonfly. Is it a dragonfly or a gravestone doji? Yeah, not the best candle. So let's see, 4 hour now we have some movement. We have this candle here, looks like it's engulfed this previous one. This almost looks like a pin bar, but not the cleanest pin bar. So yeah, I'm hoping that we can now get those rejections. We're sort of ranging, so I'm hoping that now we can start breaking above this level, this trend line here, this trend line, and this level here, and then, you know, just push up so that I can get those sales that I've been looking for since last year, guys, since last year. Calendar very quickly. Today we have news at 2 p.m. pound news. Okay. Yeah, it's 3:30 p.m. East African time. We have some USD news as well. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you've enjoyed my video. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye-bye.